So we have gone ahead and quickly created a Gmail account here. Basically, you can do this very fast by just Googling Gmail and creating a new account. I won't be going into this, but we will continue into the Google AdWords setup. So we would like to go on Google, type in AdWords, and we want to go to Google AdWords right here. So this is the Google AdWords landing page. If you've never set up Google AdWords, this is it. Pretty much want to click on Start Now. And here we are being welcomed into Google AdWords. So you will be very tempted to write in information right here, but this is the guided setup I was talking about previously, and this will just take you in the entire process of setting up your first campaign. But we will be doing this later in the course, so we will be actually skipping this. We want to click on skip the guided setup right here. And Google will prompt us with this information right here. So pretty much what you want to do is you want to set up this information right here with the email that you just created for your account. Maybe you already have an email, but I'm just going to use the one that I just created. So I just created this one. Here you want to select the country that you're in and that you're advertising to. So we will select the United States. The time zone, we will select Eastern Time. You can't change this after you select it unless you reach out to Google, and that will be somewhat of a hassle. So it's better to just select it correctly the first time and not have to deal with those issues. So we will select Eastern Time because that's where we're located. And for currency, we will select the US dollar because that's what we want our reporting to be in. Once we're done there, we're going to select Save and Continue. And now we are here in our AdWords dashboard. So something quickly to make note of is this customer ID right here. You want to make sure you write this down along with your email and make sure you have it handy just in case you ever get locked out of your account. You can provide Google with this customer ID along with your email, and it will be much easier to get yourself back into the account. I know people who've been locked out and have gone through a huge hassle because they do not have their customer ID. So just make sure you write this down and have it handy somewhere where you can have access to at any time. So yeah, that is it for this short video. Now your Google AdWords account is created, and in the next video we will be getting the app that we will be using to make these Google shopping campaigns. So see you in the next video.